Hey everybody, it's Brooke here from Anita Goodesign, and today I am so excited to show you how to piece together your new votive bag. Now we have a bunch of bags in front of us here. We have our autumn bags, our Anita's Express Christmas votive bags, and today we're going to be working with our Anita's Express Halloween bag. Now this bag is great. We're using purple felt for this Halloween edition, and we're also using glow-in-the-dark thread. So let's get started. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to take our two finished squares and we're going to place them right sides together. You're going to line them up just like this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler and our tailor's chalk, and we are going to mark up from the bottom of your design 1.5 inches, and from that marking we're going to mark 1.5 inches as well. So we're basically just creating a little square. Because what we're going to do to create our corner crease is we're going to remove this little square from the bottom. Now you can go ahead and repeat that on all sides. You're going to repeat it in this corner down here, and then you're going to go ahead and flip your other panel and repeat the same. All right, and now that we have all of our corners cut, we're going to go ahead and place our fabric right sides together. So now that we have our fabrics right sides together, you can either pin or clip your design in place, but what we're going to do is we're going to stitch from the top of our bag down. We're going to stitch at the bottom, and we're going to start on the other side of our bag and stitch all the way down as well. All right, and now that you have finished sewing together your side seams, it's time to form the bottom of your bag. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our bottom pieces and we're going to line them up so that the bottom seam matches the side seam. And I'm going to go ahead and pin that in place. And now that we have our pins in place, we're going to go ahead and sew. What you're going to do is insert your design into the machine and stitch across this area right here. And now that we have our corners complete, you can go ahead and flip your bag right side out. And now that we have our design right side out, we're going to go ahead and flip the top edges of our design in and top stitch. And now that our top stitching is complete, our new votive bag is ready for use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you next time.